Here's our 3-year-old doing an activity from the Spielgaben set, which itself is an intensely imaginative and very well-structured kit that contains years' worth of developmental activities. He's using this card and these wooden pieces to create a chicken, a caterpillar, a flower, and eyes. This activity is great for pattern, shape, and size recognition. When we came across Spielgaben, we had already invested in a wide range of art and craft and hands-on activities, many of which were similar to the kinds of activities in the Spielgaben set. But there were a lot of reasons why it caught our interest and why we ended up getting one for our family. To begin with, there is the quality of the materials as well as the way that they're organized and stored, which is so handy. These were real pluses for us. But the thing that really helped us make up our minds was the range of pre-structured activities that increase in complexity over a 9-year period. We had a lot of similar things in our house, but we didn't have such an extensive plan for how to use them. So after we found out about what it has to offer, it wasn't such a hard decision after all. He's going to use this next card as a guide for making these animal figures. This is great for spatial reasoning, hand-eye coordination, and shape recognition. Here's yet another card. As you can see, there's a lot to it, and the more the kids do it, the more they get into it.